Looking for the perfect stencil printer to level up your tattoo workflow? In this video, we are counting down the best stencil printer for tattoos that deliver sharp transfers, fast performance, and reliable results for both beginners and professional tattoo artists. From compact wireless models to advanced thermal stencil machines, these picks can seriously improve your tattoo setup. Check out the product links in the description below. Now let's get started with the video. At number 1, the Phomemo M08F Plus delivers an impressive combination of portability, smart features, and professional quality stencil printing that makes it one of the best stencil printers for tattoos available today. Designed for both experienced tattoo artists and beginners, this compact thermal printer features a modern touchscreen control panel that allows users to preview designs, adjust brightness, run self-tests, and access built-in calibration directly from the device. The smooth touchscreen interface creates a faster and more convenient tattoo workflow, especially during long studio sessions or busy appointments. Using advanced thermal printing technology, the Phomemo M08F Plus produces razor-sharp stencil transfers without requiring ink or toner, helping artists create clean and highly detailed tattoo outlines with minimal effort. The printer even includes upgraded tattoo transfer papers, so users can start working immediately after setup. One of the biggest highlights of this device is its universal compatibility. It connects easily through Bluetooth and supports smartphones, tablets, laptops, and desktop computers across Android, iOS, Windows, macOS, and Chrome OS. This flexibility makes printing designs fast and convenient for both professionals and beginners. The Phomemo application also adds several useful features, including one-click printing, image scanning, stencil editing, and even advanced artificial intelligence-powered tattoo design generation. Users can quickly create designs in multiple tattoo styles, such as minimalist, realistic, fine line, and neo-traditional, directly from the application. To help users get started immediately, the package even includes tattoo transfer papers right inside the box. If you are looking for a lightweight, wireless, and highly efficient stencil printer for tattooing, the Phomemo M08F is easily one of the strongest options available in 2026. At number 2, the Phomemo M08F stencil printer stands out as a highly portable and beginner-friendly option that delivers reliable performance for tattoo artists who need flexibility and convenience. Specifically designed for tattoo stencil applications, this lightweight wireless printer is much smaller than traditional tattoo transfer machines, making it incredibly easy to carry between studios, tattoo conventions, and client appointments. Weighing only around 2 pounds, the compact design easily fits into a backpack or tattoo supply bag without taking up much space. The built-in rechargeable battery eliminates the hassle of constant charging cables and provides excellent freedom for artists who prefer a clean and organized workstation. With a full charge, the printer can produce up to 220 pages of stencil designs, making it perfect for multiple tattoo sessions throughout the day. The Phomemo M08F uses advanced thermal printing technology to create sharp, clean, and precise tattoo stencils without requiring ink or toner. Since it's completely inkless, users do not have to worry about clogged cartridges, messy refills, or additional maintenance, helping artists focus more on creativity and less on technical problems. At number 3, the Tattmuse Tattoo Stencil Printer delivers a perfect balance of speed, portability, and smart tattoo-focused features that make it an excellent choice for modern tattoo artists and beginners alike. One of the biggest highlights of this upgraded 2026 model is its patented wrinkle-resistant mode, which helps keep tattoo transfer paper perfectly flat during printing. By reducing wrinkles and creases along the paper edges, the printer creates cleaner and more consistent stencil transfers, helping artists achieve more accurate tattoo outlines with less frustration. The upgraded print head also improves both speed and sharpness, allowing users to work more efficiently while maintaining professional quality results. Despite offering powerful performance, the Tattmuse Tattoo Stencil Printer remains incredibly compact and lightweight. It is small enough to fit easily into a backpack or tattoo travel bag, making it ideal for conventions, guest spots, and mobile tattoo sessions. The wireless battery-powered design removes the need for bulky setups and messy cables, giving artists more flexibility during work. The included package even comes with tattoo transfer papers, allowing beginners to start practicing immediately after unboxing. Another major advantage is the smart application support. The Tattmuse application includes more than 800 free tattoo designs, along with several editing tools that are easy to use even for first-time users. Features like large image cutting, stencil splitting, photo-to-outline conversion, tattoo preview, and artificial intelligence-powered tattoo generation give artists endless creative possibilities. Users can instantly create custom tattoo line art in styles ranging from minimalist and realistic to neo-traditional and fine line designs. Connectivity is also excellent, with support for Bluetooth and USB Type-C connections. The printer works smoothly with Android, iOS, Windows, and Mac OS devices, making it highly flexible for different workflows. Since it uses advanced thermal technology, there is no need for ink or toner, which helps reduce maintenance while keeping the stencil printing process cleaner and more efficient. If you want a fast, lightweight, and feature-rich stencil printer for tattooing, the Tattmuse Tattoo Stencil Printer is definitely one of the top contenders in 2026. At number 4, the PeriPage P90 Tattoo Stencil Printer earns its place with a strong focus on precision, portability, and professional-grade stencil quality that tattoo artists can rely on every day. Built specifically for creating detailed tattoo transfers, this thermal stencil printer is designed to capture even the smallest elements of a design with impressive accuracy. Whether you are working on delicate realism tattoos, highly detailed portrait pieces, or bold traditional artwork, the advanced print engine produces sharp and smudge-resistant stencil transfers that help maintain the integrity of the original design. Fine lines, subtle shading, and intricate details remain clean and visible, giving artists greater confidence during the tattooing process. One of the biggest strengths of the PeriPage P90 is its highly portable design. The compact and lightweight body makes it extremely easy to carry to tattoo conventions, guest spots, private appointments, or home consultations. Instead of depending on a large and heavy stencil setup, artists can quickly turn almost any workspace into a professional tattoo stencil station within minutes. The built-in rechargeable battery is designed to last through long tattoo sessions, giving users dependable performance without constantly worrying about charging cables or power outlets. Since the printer uses thermal printing technology, there is no need for ink or toner, which helps reduce maintenance while keeping the stencil printing process cleaner and more efficient. Another major advantage is that the PeriPage P90 arrives as a complete, ready-to-use tattoo stencil kit. Inside the package, users receive premium thermal tattoo stencil papers, a USB Type-C charging cable, and a detailed user guide to help simplify the setup process. This makes it a great option not only for experienced tattoo professionals, but also for beginners looking for a reliable stencil printer without extra hidden costs. If you want a compact, highly accurate, and travel-friendly tattoo stencil printer, the PeriPage P90 is definitely one of the top choices available in 2026. At number 5, the Sacnahe Tattoo Stencil Machine offers a practical and efficient solution for tattoo artists who want fast stencil transfers without spending a fortune on complicated equipment. Designed specifically for tattoo professionals and beginners, this thermal copier focuses on speed, simplicity, and dependable performance to help artists work more efficiently during busy tattoo sessions. One of the biggest advantages of this machine is its ability to create clear and smooth stencil transfers in just a few seconds. The entire transfer process takes about 10 seconds, allowing tattoo artists to prepare designs quickly and spend more time focusing on actual tattoo work. Since the machine uses thermal transfer technology, there is no need for ink, toner, or expensive replacement parts, helping reduce maintenance costs while keeping the setup clean and hassle-free. The Sacnahe Tattoo Stencil Machine also supports both A4 and A5 paper sizes, giving users extra flexibility depending on the design size they are working with. Another useful feature is the variety of built-in settings that allow artists to customize stencil results based on their preferences. With dedicated buttons for copy mode, resolution, mirror mode, and transfer depth settings, users can easily adjust the stencil output for different tattoo styles and design needs. The two deepness modes help control stencil darkness, allowing lighter or darker transfer effects depending on the complexity of the artwork. Despite offering strong performance, the machine remains lightweight and portable, making it easy to move between studios, conventions, or personal workspaces. The included 20 sheets of tattoo stencil transfer paper also provide excellent value for beginners who want to start practicing immediately after unboxing. The machine performs especially well for line work and simple shading designs, producing stable and consistent transfers with very low noise during operation.